Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in the previous classes we have discussed the fractions concepts, addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions and multiplication and division of fractions we have discussed in the last classes. So today we are going to discuss the decimals concepts. See, we already learned the decimals in the 6th standard, is it right? See, so decimals means the simplest form of the fractions. The simplest form of fractions is nothing but decimals. Are you understood? You know already. See, in that, first we have to start the place value chart of the decimals. We know that. So one more time we have to discuss it. We have to recall it. See, first this is ones place. Okay. Ones place. After that, point after the before left side. As usual in the number system chart. So right side, so decimals right sides of the numbers we call it as first digit, we call it as 10th. So second digit we call it as 100th. Next 1000th. Correct. So this is point right side of the digit, we call it as the first digit we call it as 10, second digit we call it as 100, third digit we call it as thousands. So thousandth. So next point left side of the digits, first as usual in the number system, ones. So after that tens, after that 100, after that 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, etc. Okay. So this is the place value chart of the decimals numbers. Okay. See, this is one's place value is 1, ten's place value is 10, 100 place value is 100, 1000 place value is 1000. Like that, 10th place means 1 by 10, 1 by 10 or 0.1. So okay, next this is 100 means 1 by 100 or it is equal to, otherwise I will write it like this, 1 by 10 is equal to or 0.1. So 1 by 100 or nothing but 0.01. Thousandth place value is 1 by 1000, it is equal to 0.001. Suppose okay, so 3, 5, 6, 7, 0, 3, 2, something is there in that decimal chapter. See, so we have to write the place value of the every digits. Okay, yes, see friends, first ones place, the value of ones place is 1, so the value of 7 is 7 into 1, 7, like that. Next, tens place value is 10. The value of 6 in the tens place, 6 into 10, 60, like that. Then 100 place value is 100. The value of 5 in the 100 place is 500. Like that. The value of 1000 place is 1000. The value of 3 in the 1000 place is 3000. Is it right? Next, like that. Come to 10th place. 10th place, what is the digit here? 0. 0 by anything is, otherwise you have to write 1. 0 limit. 1. The value of 1 in the 10th place, the value of in the 10th place value is 1 by 10 or 0.1. So what is the value of 1 in the 10th place? That means 1 by 10. This is also 1 by 10 or 0.1. Otherwise, if it is 2 or 9, anything. So if it is 9 means, so the value of 10th place is 1 by 10 or 0.1. So the value of 9 in the 10th place, here 1 by 10. Suppose 1 means 1 by 10, 2 means 2 by 10, 9 means 9 by 10, 9 by 10 or 0.9. Here 1 by 10 means 0.1, 9 by 10 means 0.9, like that. Next, come to the 100th place. The value of 100th place is 1 by 100. Then the value of 3 in the 100th place is 3 by 100 or 0.03. Like that, the 100th place, 1000th place value is 1 by 1000 or 0.001. So next, the 1000th place, the value of 2 in the 1000th place means 2 by 1000. 2 by 1000 or 0.002. Can you understand? So like this we are learn the place value of decimals numbers. Can you understood the decimal chapter chart? Yes. Let me go to that additions and subtractions of decimals. One more thing, students. See, 3.875 is there. Suppose 3.875. In that 3 is in the 100th place. Sorry, ones place, and 8 is in the 10th place, and 7 it is in the 100th place. 100th place, and this is 1000th place. 1000th place. Okay, please remember that right side of the decimals we call it as the first digit we call it as 10, second digit we call it as 100th, third digit we call it as 1000th. Okay, in the remaining the left side of the decimals as usual in the number system value. Okay, so next student, okay, addition and subtraction. Before going that, first we have to the expanded form of the decimals numbers. One more thing, see students, expanded form. I will show first expanded. I will not write here, so I will write now expanded form. See, expanded, how you are writing the expanded form? We already know that. See, first of all, for example, I will take one example. 3.752 is there. Suppose 75. Simple. I will give smaller number. Afterwards, I will give the bigger number. So 3.75 is there. So 3 it is in which place? 3 into which place is 1? 3 into 1. Then plus. So 7 into 7 it is in which place? 100th, 10th. First 10th after 100. Okay. So this is 10th place. The value of 10th place is 1 by 10. Is it right? Plus. Next digit is 5. 5 is in which place? 100th place. Therefore 1 by 100. Next 3 into 1 3 plus 7 into 1 7 by 10. Then 5 into 5 5 by 100. So this is the expanded form of 3.75. So one more example. 23.62. So 2 it is in 10th place. 3 is in ones place. Okay. So 2, see 2 into 100, 200. Directly I will write this method. I will skip that. So 200 plus 3 it is in ones place. Therefore 3 into 1 3 plus after that 6. 6 it is in 10th place. Therefore 6 by 10. Then plus 2 it is 100th place. Therefore 2 by 100. Very simple. This is the directly you have to write it. Okay. So next students, one more example. I will log one example. 72.326. Yes, 7 it is in 10th place. Therefore it is become 70. 2 it is in the ones place. Therefore it is a 2. Plus 3 it is in the 10th place. Therefore 3 by 10. Then plus 2 it is in the 100th place. Therefore 2 by 100. Plus 6 it is in the 1000th place. Therefore 6 by 1000. Are you understood? So like this we have to expand it of the decimals. Okay. So next to come to that, additions and subtractions of decimals. See, first I will show the additions. We will take one example. 3.72 plus 23.5 plus 262.736 is there. Okay. So these decimals we have to add it. So we know that how to add in the number system. Likewise only how to add it. See, first what is there? 3.72. The next second decimals what is there? 23.5 is there. First we have to write point left side is there, no? We have to write from left side only. So first 3 have to write it. After 2 have to write it. It will become 23. Is it right? Yes, point. After number, you have to write right side only. So first you have to 5, nothing is there means 0, here nothing is there means 0. We have to make it as like decimals and unlike decimals we already learned in the 6th standard, correct? So that's why I am making it as like decimals. Next, third one, so point we have to write first. Point left side you have to write from left side. You have to start from left side. Point right side number, right side digit, you have to start from right side. See, first you have to write 2, it is in 1's place, 6 it is in the 100th place, sorry 10th place, and 2 it is in the 100th place. So in the 100th place is nothing is there means 0, here also 0. Next come to that decimal form. So this is the 10th place, therefore you have to write in the 10th place. After 3 it is in the 100th place, and 6 it is in the 1000th place. Here 1000th place is nothing is there means 0, here also 0. So now these all 3 decimals making as like decimals. Now you have to add it as it is in the number system. Number, how you are adding the natural number or whole number, likewise only you have to add it. So first 0, 0, 0, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. Next 3 plus 0, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Then 7, 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 7. Also 7 plus 1, 7, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 9. Carry 1. That carry you have to shift to the next place. Okay. So 1. So how much become 3, 1 plus 4? 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So that point have to write as it is. Next, no carry. Next 6 plus 2, 8. 8 as it is written. So no carry. Here 2 as it is have to write. 289.956. See students, point after the digit you have to say read that individually have to read it. So 289.956 only have to write. So point left side you have to read it as number, likewise number. This is 289. Likewise you have to read it. But point right side numbers, the right side digits you have to say read it as a individually. Somebody they are telling 289.956. It is wrong. So 289.956 only have to read it. Okay. Yes, this is the addition. Can you understand the additions of the decimals? Likewise subtractions. See, subtractions, for example, 45.32 from 235.7. 235.7. That's it. See, students, from word, when it is come the from word, that time you have to write from after the number, you have to write first, from before the number, write have to next. Okay, first you have to write this number 235.7. Okay, from ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಬೇಕು, from in the before number ನ next ಬರ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. So how you are writing? First point, after that 5, after that 4, then after that 3, next is 2. In the next, here nothing is there is 0, here nothing is there is 0. It becomes like decimals. You have to make it as like decimal. Now you have to subtract it. So this is the additions. So this is the subtraction. See, 0 minus 2. Is it possible 0 minus 2? No. We have to take the borrow. So it becomes 10. So 10 minus of 2 it becomes 8. Here 6. 6 minus of 3, 3. Point. 5 minus of 5, 0. 3 minus 4 is not possible. Therefore you have to take out the borrow. It becomes 13. It becomes 1. So 13 minus of 4 it becomes 9. So next remaining is 1. So 190.38. It is the subtractions of the decimals. Are you understand, students? Yes. So next one, comparison of decimals. We will start with comparison of decimals. So I understand how to write when you are additions and when you are doing the subtractions. Please write the decimals one by one. Points downside you have to write point, and 10th place, 10th place everywhere, 100th place, 100th place everywhere. Okay, please be careful that. So next, comparison of decimals. Comparison. How you are doing the comparison? I mean, which is a greater and which is a smaller. Very simple. I will take one other example. So 3.5 or 4.3. Very simple. So first we have to compare the 1th place, after 10th place, after 100th place, like that. So after the 10th, 100th, 1000th place. First we have to compare the ones place. We have to compare the first ones place. In that ones place, what is there here? 3. Here 4. Which is greater? This 4 is a greater. Therefore 3.5 is less than 4.3. Therefore 4.3 is a greater. 3.5 is a smaller. Suppose like this. 55.32 or 13. Suppose 55.32 or 55.13 is there. Here again you have to compare the first ones place or same. So we cannot find the which is smaller and which is greater. In the next place, here also same term is there, same digit is there. Now also we don't want to consider the which is a smaller and which is a greater. Come to the 10th place. So here 3 is there, here 1 is there. Yes, here already 3 is greater than 1. That's why ಇದು ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇದು ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈಗ ಇವೆರಡು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಏನಂತ. 55.32 or 55.13 ನಲ್ಲಿ ones place are same, 10th place is also same, but 10th place is there. 10th, T-E-N-T-H, 10th place is different. So 3 is greater than the 1. That's why 55.32 is greater. This is greater than 55.13. I understood. So when it becomes same, we have to go to the next places. Okay. So one more example. 237 point, otherwise 3.74754 or 3.758 is there. See, 3.754 and 3.758 is there. So first come to compare the ones place or same, 10th place is also same, 100th place is also same. See, come to the 1000th place. Here 1000th place, this is greater than this 4. That's why 3.754 is less than 3.758. I understood how to compare it. So if it is the 10th ones place is same, 10th place is same, 100th place is same, you have to go to the next places. When the places are same, we have to go to the next step, next places. In that places you have to compare it. If it is in that place is also a same digit, you have to go to the next places. Then you have to find the which is a smaller digit and which is a greater digit. After that, which is a greater decimals and which is a smaller symbol. Easily we have to find it. Okay? Yes. Next student, express as a decimal form is there. So I will go to directly exercise problems. I will show in that exercise only. Okay? So exercise 2.5 is there. In that which is a greater 0.5 or 0.05. Now only I show it. One I will show now. 0.5 and 0.05. See first one 0.5 or 0.05 is there. 0.5 or 0.05 is there. See, in that 0 first ones place are same, we can go to the next place. Next place is nothing is there, you have to come to the decimals places. So come to the 10th place. 10th place is 5 is there, here 0 is there. Yes, this is greater than 0.05. Yes, 0.5 is greater than 0.05. So which is greater they are asking, but 0.5 is a greater. 0.5 is greater. I understood? Yes. Like that second one question, 0.8 or 0.88. Yes, 0.8 or 0.88. In that, so ones place are same, come to the next places. 10th place are same, come to the next places. Nothing is there, is 0 is there. So you have to compare the 100th place. Here 0 is there, here 8 is there. That's why 0.88 is greater than 0.80. Therefore 0.80 is smaller than 0.88. Therefore 0.88 is greater. You understood how you are comparing the decimal numbers? Yes. The next student, express as rupees using the decimals. Yes. See, express as rupees. First one 7 paise. Second one, first one 7 paise. So how you are finding the 7 paise? First, before going that, rupees can be expressed as a, so rupees point paise. So paise can be represented the 2 digit. So rupees infinite number of digits, rupees. Okay. See, 7 paisa is there, rupees is nothing is there, means that's why 0 point. So paisa, how much paisa? 0 paisa. 0 paisa can be written as 07. Okay, because of here having a 2 digit. So paisa we can fill by the 2 digit, but here only the 1 digit is there. So 7 can be written as 07. 8 paisa 08. 9 paisa 09. 10 paisa 10. Okay. Next, like that. Second one. Third one I will show you. 77 paisa. Third one, 77 paisa rupees and 77 paisa. Okay, 77 rupees and 77 paisa. In that 77 rupees, you have to write in the rupees place. After that point, paisa, how much paisa is there? 77. That's it. After 2 digit we can fill it in the decimal paisa places. Therefore 77 easily you have to find it. You easily have to fill it. Next student, 235 paisa is there. Yes, 235 paisa. Okay. In that, see, first 35 have to fill in the paisa. Last 2 digit you have to fill in the paisa place. The next digit you have to fill in the rupees place. Therefore 2.35 paisa. 2.35 rupees. 2.35 rupees. Can you understand? The last 2 digits can fill in the paisa places. The remaining digit can fill in the rupees places. Okay, very simple. So like that you have to solve in the remaining questions. So come to the fourth, express in kg. So express as a decimal form. This is also expressed in the decimal form heading, and this is also same. So 200 gram is there. First one, fourth one, first one. 200 gram. See, 200 gram. So kg and gram is there. Kg is to gram. Kg per gram. Okay. Kg you have to write infinite number of. You can write fill in the kg places. Gram places can fill 3 digits. 3 digits can fill in the gram places. Here 200 gram is there. So therefore 200 gram can be written as 2. See, first 200 gram is there, have to fill the decimal places. Kg is there, no kg, therefore 0. 0.200 is nothing but 0.2 kg. Expressed as in kg form, correct? Expressed in kg, therefore 0.2 kg. Can you understand? So like that, second question, what is the second question? 3470 gram. 3470, 3470 gram. In that, the last 3 digits can fill by gram places, point. The remaining digit can fill in the kg places. Therefore, kg and gram is there. Kg, the last 3 digits. In the gram places, we can fill by the 3 digit. That's why the last 3 digit can fill by the 3 digit in the gram places. So what is the remaining digit here? 3. 3 can fill in the kg places. Therefore 3.470 kg. Like that. Third one. What is that? 4 kg 8 gram. 4 kg 8 gram. Yes. First kg 4.8 gram is there. So 008. So likewise rupees. So paisa 7 paisa is there 07 because of only 2 digits. That's why 07. If it here gram having a 3 digit is there 000. Correct. That's why in the last digit we can fill by A. Remaining 2 digits can fill by 00. Therefore 4.008 kg. Do you understand? Yes. In the next. Write in the expanded form. I already showed in the example problems. Okay, you can solve in the 20.03 and 2.034 is there. 2 into 20 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 by 100. Like that, can you write it? Can you write these 2 questions? Yes. I already showed in the previous questions. Okay. So next question number 6. Go to the question number 6. What is that? Write the place value 2 in the following decimals. Yes, 2.56. First one, 2.56. So what is the place value of 2? 2 it is in which place? So 2 it is in 1's place. Therefore the value of 2 is 2. Okay. Next, second one. 21.37. Here in the second question, 2 it is in which place? 10th place, therefore the value of 2 in the 10th place is 20. Next, like that, third one, 10.25. 10.25. 2 it is in which place in the 10.25? 10th place, therefore the value of 10th place is, no, the value of 2 in the 10th place is 2 by 10 is nothing but 0.2. 2 by 10 is nothing but 0.2. Do you understood? So like this we have to solve these kinds of questions. Okay. In the remaining questions is there in this exercise, addition and subtractions problems are there in the word problems. You have to do it in your home. Okay, students? Yes. These are the place value of the decimals numbers. Okay, students, and addition and subtractions of the decimals. Okay. In the next classes, students, we have to discuss the multiplication and divisions of the decimals. Okay. Thank you.